Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to start photography. Before you pick up a camera, think about what excites you most about photography. Landscapes or cityscapes, street photography, cultural or event photography, or wildlife or nature photography. Your inspiration will guide your focus and help you create consistent style. If you love traveling, consider focusing on travel photography first. If you're into sports or action, try capturing dynamic moments. Your camera is your primary tool. Today, there are many options for beginners. You have mirrorless camera, which is lightweight and high quality, ideal for travel. DSLR cameras, excellent for professional quality images, and point-and-shoot cameras, which is budget-friendly and portable. Studying established photographers will teach you a composition, style, and creativity. Landscape photography, Ansel Adams, and for portrait photography you have Diane Arbus, Vivian Mayer, and Richard Avedon. Even if you start with a particular style, try exploring other types like macro photography, street photography, or cultural or event photography. Quality matters more than quantity in photography. Before taking a shot, study the scene, focus carefully on your object, and frame the image thoughtfully. Always carry a portable tripod for stability, keep your gear light for long travels, practice patience, and observe local culture before photographing, and edit your photos subtly to retain natural aesthetics. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.